Madam Chair, hindi ko maintindihan yung ugali ng ating resource person. It is a simple question.
Yes, Madam Chair. Hindi ko rin maintindihan ang ugali ni Senator Risa Ontiveros and I do not appreciate, ano yung sinabi niya? I do not appreciate this kind of behavior and attitude. Let me make a rebuttal and another example of politicizing the budget of the government. Ito pong sinabi ni Senator Risa Ontiveros na at the proper time she'll make a motion to lodge the budget, the requested budget of the OVP to the other agencies. Let me just quote Senator Risa during the Akbayan Congress. Alam ko po na ang daming kalat ni Duterte na hirap tayong linisin. Ang kadiliman noong panahon niya ay talaga namang nanuot sa ating lipunan para man sa na napakahirap tanggalin at